part one. Pretty simple, quick worksheet, not a huge deal. Essentially what we're doing is just making sure we remember how to use the diamond on the top, and then getting a little bit more practice with the quadratic formula on the bottom. I will say, I did want to talk about why doesn't the diamond work always? Well, there's two reasons that the diamond might not work. One of them would be if we get like a really weird number, right? So let's say the x-intercepts are like this, and this x-intercept is like negative 0.641, and this one is like negative 0.325. Like, why would we guess those on the diamonds, right? Like, I mean, it's just, in theory, we could eventually guess them, but it's not super likely that we're going to be guessing those two numbers in order to get those x-intercepts. So that's one reason that it might not work. The second reason that it might not work is, what if there aren't any real ones? And we kind of saw that a little bit already, right? The diamond's not going to work because you're not going to pick imaginary numbers. So those are the two reasons. One, if you get really unlikely numbers to pick, and two, if there aren't any real numbers. We like the diamond when it works out nice and simple, right? Like numbers like 2 and 5 that we might plug into the side of the diamond. All right, so let me pause. I need to do one here, but just for good old time's sake, I guess I'll say A times C on top and B on bottom, and we'll say 1x on the side. And if you guys remember, 1 times 12 gives me 12, 2 times 6, but neither one of these is going to allow me to get to 7, but 3 and 4 do. So there we go. I'm going to get x plus 3 and x plus 4. Again, these are not my solutions, these are my factors. My solutions are going to be negative 3 and negative 4. So hopefully you guys remember the good old days of using the the diamond. It's not all about the quadratic equation, which of course is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And, you know, I think I've done enough of these in the last few videos. I will let you guys do these 6.